Hey there, amazing homeowners! Is cleaning your bathroom one of your least favorite chores? You're definitely not alone. But it's super important to keep those germs, grime, and funky odors at bay. Good news though, I've got a no-nonsense step-by-step guide to help you clean your bathroom like a pro. Step 1. Clear everything out. Remove towels, rugs, toiletries, and trash cans. Starting with a clean slate makes it easier to scrub every surface. Pro tip, toss those bath mats and towels straight into the laundry and check if your shower curtain liner is machine washable. Step 2. Dust and sweep. Use a microfiber cloth or duster to wipe down ceiling corners, vents, light fixtures, and baseboards. Then, sweep or vacuum the floor to pick up hair, dust, and debris. Handheld vacuums are perfect for those tricky corners and around the toilet base. Step 3. Apply cleaner and let it sit. Spray your tub, shower walls, sink and toilet with a disinfecting cleaner or a homemade vinegar solution. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to break down soap, scum, and bacteria. Trust me, patience here means less scrubbing later. Step 4. Scrub and wipe down surfaces. Grab a stiff brush or sponge for the tub and tiles, and a soft cloth for countertops and faucets. Pay special attention to grout lines and around the drain. Magic erasers work wonders on stubborn marks and mildew spots. Step 5. Clean the toilet. Use toilet bowl cleaner and a brush to scrub inside the bowl, including under the rim. Wipe down the tank, handle, and seat with disinfecting wipes or spray and a cloth. Remember to use a separate cloth for the toilet to avoid cross-contamination. Step 6. Wipe mirrors and glass. Spray with a streak-free glass cleaner, then buff with a dry microfiber cloth. Wipe in a circular motion to avoid streaks and spots. Step 7. Mop the floor. Start at the room's farthest corner and work towards the door with a disinfecting floor cleaner. For extra sparkle, go over the floor with a dry cloth to remove water spots or streaks. Step 8. Restock and refresh. Put everything back in place, fresh towels, clean rugs, toiletries. Empty the trash and add a fresh scent like an essential oil diffuser or a simple bowl of baking soda. Keep a small cleaning caddy under the sink for quick touch-ups throughout the week. And there you have it. A clean bathroom doesn't have to be a massive production. Follow these steps regularly for a fresh, sanitary, and welcoming space. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe for more awesome cleaning hacks. No time to clean? Let Bear Brothers Cleaning handle it. Call us at 256-633-6332 for a free quote and visit our website at bearbroscleaning.com.